Hi friends, and this is Bilal Heather, and this is the 10th video part about Unity 3D C# programming. And in this video we are going to talk about switch statement. Okay, this is another statement which is used to make decisions, and basically it is used to check for a certain variable and its values, and based on those values we make decisions. Okay, so this statement which we will write in this example will be the practical way of doing that score reward stuff. Okay, so let's do that. For this we write switch, and one cool thing about this mono develop is when you write switch and you hit tab twice, it will write the sample code for you already. Okay, so you don't have to type all of it by yourself, but for now let's type it by ourselves and let's explain it one by one, each word one by one. So how we write switch statement is we write the switch keyword, and inside parentheses we write our variable which we want to check. Okay, on which we want to check, on which we want to make our decisions basically. Okay, so we have our score, and now we'll write case 500. Okay, switch statement is like a switch. Okay, so we check our score variable and we check if the case is 500. If its value is 500, what we want to do, we want to increase the gold coins of our user. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, and after writing our first case just like that, we increased our users gold coins, and after increasing the gold coins of our user, we write this break statement. Okay, I'll explain it after I write my second case. So let's go ahead and write our second case, which will be 800, and when our user has a score of 800, we want to reward him 20 more gold coins. Okay, now let's talk about guess what, let me make one more case in here, and then we'll talk about break statement. Okay, so there you go. Okay, what we did in here, basically we are checking our score. If its value is 500, we award our user with 10 gold coins, and we break at the very point, because if we won't write this break statement, it will come down here, and let's say if the user's score is let's say maybe 500, but we didn't break it, it will come down and also start executing these. Okay, so sometimes it does that, and it's a very hectic thing. Okay, sometimes you're writing these conditions and your game starts behaving weirdly. That's probably because you're not doing it the right way. You're not using the break statement in here. So once we reward our user 10 gold coins. When he reached 500 scores, we want to break it, so it will not execute these statements and it will go outside of this switch statement. Okay, let me go ahead and do write this okay, what I have written here, this is the default case for our switch statement, which is if none of these cases are true. Let's say if our user's score is 20, or maybe 524, or maybe 832, or maybe 1100. If none of these cases are true and we want our user to do something, if none of these cases are true, we can write that thing under default case. Okay, so whenever our user is getting one score, we are also giving him or her one gold coin. Okay, so the default case is this: whenever user gets one score, he gets one gold coin. But when the user reaches 500 score, we give him a bonus of 10 gold coins. You can think of it like this: if you will not use this break statement, what it will do, it will reward him 10 gold coins reaching 500 score, and it will also execute this piece of code which we have written here. And sometimes we write logic in a way that we don't want this thing to happen. We only want our user to give this thing, and we don't want to execute this thing. Okay, so that's why we use break statements. So this is kind of more practical way of doing stuff, where you have multiple conditions on the same variable. Okay, so this was pretty much all about this video part, and I hope you liked it, and see you in the next video part. Have fun, take care, and bye bye. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.